One important thing that you're doing in this midterm presentation is doing some initial research that you share with the class about the subtopic that you're explaining. In this video, I just want to show you two different ways you can find information that's good and academic and can help you explain the thing that you want to do. So the first thing I want to show you is a website called Investopedia.com. This is a website, they have information and news, but they also have lots of good explanations of things. So let's just take one topic that someone might do, like the bond market. So you search that in there. Bonds for stock market, what's the difference? A look back, how bond market pricing. They have lots of things here, but what we're looking for is a definition. Click on this, and they'll have a definition here, these kinds of things, and then they often have video. I don't see one for this page. Let's try a new topic, the blockchain. All right, at the beginning here, these are ads. Don't click on those. Here we go, blockchain, everything that you need to know. All right, here's a table of contents. It tells you some things. There's a picture. Oh, this is an interview with somebody, so this is somebody. Let's click on this and see if that works. Oh,
starting out with any new project.
There's an ad. We'll skip that.
A blockchain is really a new method of record. It's a ledger, the means of keeping.
This could be good information. One thing to point out, if you were to use this, you would cite this person, not Investopedia, but this person. And it looks like he's written a book here. That's something that you would probably want to tell us, but that would be the source. So again, there's some videos on some of these pages, but there's also lots and lots of information. What is the blockchain? How it works? Is it private? Is it secure? Blockchain versus Bitcoin. Public and private keys, all these hacker-proof, Bitfury, I don't even know what that is, practical applications. My point is you'll find lots and lots of information from Investopedia. It's a great place to get basic information. Here's pros and cons. And it just keeps going and going and going and going and going. Again, Investopedia is kind of like Wikipedia in that you can go to it and get basic information that will help you understand what you're going to explain. It's certainly not the end source that you will use. I think there's a lot better academic sources that I'll show you in a minute, but it's a great first stop for understanding a topic, kind of just for background information. They do have these nice explainer videos that I want to find an example to show you too. I think they're just a nice model of, in an even shorter time than you're given in your presentation, how can you explain and exemplify something? Let's find one together. So this is the page for futures contracts, and again, takeaways, love that word, key takeaways, bullet points of what's important, but they have this video too. And again, they're just a great way to explain stuff.
A futures contract can protect producers and suppliers from price changes. Al's Ice Cream buys milk from Tim's Dairy to make its ice cream.
So even though it doesn't say it, what they're doing here is they're giving an example. This is a hypothetical example with these two different dairies, and it talks about what their business relationship is and what things matter to them.
Cows doubles. The extra milk pushes the price of milk down to $1 a gallon. Al's is making more profit as costs drop, but Tim's is losing money. Later, a sleeping sickness knocks out 3/4 of all the cows. Milk rises to $4, and Al's profit per ice cream disappears.
You'll notice they started with the example, and now they're going to explain the thing.
Both meet with an investor. Each company negotiates a separate contract with the investor. For Tim's Dairy, the contract states that if the...
Again, Investopedia is a great initial place to look for financial terms, for economics terms. And it's also a good place just to learn about how to explain something well, both in the text that they use and, if you can find them, videos too. So check out Investopedia first. The next thing I want to show you is a database accessible by NYU libraries. This is a database that doesn't access journals and things like that. It accesses encyclopedia and other books that are used to help explain basic things. It's called Credo. So first you want to go to the library page, library.nyu.edu. There, click on Articles and Databases. Once that loads, go over here to Databases A to Z and type in Credo. And this is it, Credo reference. And now it'll have you enter your NYU logon stuff. After all that, you're now ready to search for your topic. So Credo is going to search through reference materials like encyclopedias and other handbooks and things like that. So let's do a search we did before, bond market, and see what comes up. So the bond market, its structure and function. This is from Q Finance, the ultimate resource. This is about the Treasury bond market. Again, more stuff from this. Here's a dictionary, economics dictionary. That could be good for finding definitions. So all kinds of different things here. Let's click the first one, the bond market. This is Q Finance. So this is your source. Credo is not a source. Credo is a database to find sources. So when you would cite this, you would cite Q Finance. So here they give a definition, some facts and stuff, advantages, disadvantages, basic information here. And then these are some other things that might help you understand something. Another thing you can notice on this page as it loads is this right here. This is, some of the topics will have this, and this will connect you to other things that you might be interested in related to your topic. This can be a way to help narrow down exactly what you want to talk about. A lot of being successful on Credo involves really thinking about the terms that you want to enter as you search for things. Again, that's something that I can help you with, or a librarian on the fourth floor can also help you with, or online, you can chat with them too. But again, I expect you to do some outside research that you bring into your midterm presentation. Both Investopedia and Credo reference are good places where you can find references that will help you in the explaining part in particular. You can also use other different sources that might give you examples. That could be from news or other sources if you have a real example. But I think Credo and Investopedia are good places to find academic sources that you can use as you explain things. I hope using both Credo and Investopedia helps you find some good information that you can use in your presentation, and I look forward to looking at it with you next week in class. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions or would like some more guidance in doing research for your topic. Thank you. Bye.